In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel your Protonmail subscription. We'll go step by step on desktop, keeping everything clear and straightforward so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. Make sure you're going to the official website and then sign into the account that currently has the paid subscription. It's important that you log into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one, because changes will only affect the account you're signed into. Once you're logged in and you're on your inbox page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is the main entry point for your settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where Protonmail keeps all of your configuration options, including subscription and billing. After you click the gear, a panel or menu will open. In that area, look for an option that says All Settings. Sometimes you'll see a few quick settings first, but All Settings takes you to the full settings dashboard, which is what you need for managing your plan. Click All Settings to open the complete settings page. Now that you're in the main settings area, you'll see a list of sections or categories, usually on the left-hand side. Here, you want to find and click on Subscription. This is the section that controls your current plan, billing period, and any upgrades or changes you might want to make. Click on Subscription to open the details. On the subscription page, you'll see information about the plan you're currently using. If you're on a free plan, there won't be an option to cancel since there's no paid subscription attached. But if you're using a paid plan, you'll see options that allow you to change that plan. Look for a button or link that says Downgrade or Cancel Subscription. If you're not sure which option to choose, here's a quick way to think about it. Downgrading usually means switching from a higher tier paid plan to a lower one, or possibly moving from paid back to a free plan if that's offered. Cancelling your subscription typically means that when your current billing period ends, your paid benefits will stop and your account may move to a free tier with fewer features. Click the downgrade or cancel subscription option that matches what you want to do. Protonmail may show you a confirmation screen, explain what features you'll lose, or ask why you're cancelling. Take a moment to read through any messages on the screen so you understand how this change will affect storage, custom domains, or extra addresses you might have. Once you confirm the change or cancellation, wait for a final confirmation message. It might appear as a banner or a pop-up letting you know the request went through. It's a good idea to double-check your subscription page afterward to make sure your plan status has updated as expected. And that's all you need to do to cancel your Protonmail subscription, from opening the site to confirming the change to your plan.